Hello and welcome to Slow Spoken English. I'm Diana.
And I'm Richard. Welcome to our podcast.
This podcast is for people who are learning English. We use simple words, and we talk about real, everyday life.
Today's episode is a little special. It's a lot of fun too.
That's right. Today, Richard and I are going to do a role play. Do you know that word? A role play is when you pretend to be in a situation. You act it out.
Today, we are going to pretend to be on a first date. A first date is when two people meet for the first time in a romantic way. They want to get to know each other.
In real life, Richard and I are friends. We know each other very well. But today, we are going to pretend we are meeting for the very first time.
We will show you the kinds of things people say on a first date. Listen carefully. Try to understand the words and phrases we use.
This will help you learn natural, everyday English conversation. Okay, Richard, are you ready to start?
I'm ready. Let's do it. Hi, you must be Diana. It's so nice to meet you.
Hi. Yes, I'm Diana, and you're Richard. It's so lovely to meet you too.
Wow, what a beautiful spot you chose. I love this cafe. And look at that view.
I know, right? You can see the Sydney Opera House from here. It's incredible.
It's one of my favorite buildings in the whole world. I grew up in Australia, and I still find it amazing every time I see it.
Me too. The light on the water is so beautiful today. I'm glad I chose this place.
Absolutely. Can I get you something to drink? A coffee, maybe?
Oh yes, please. I'd love a flat white.
Good choice. I'll have one too. So, Diana, tell me a little about yourself. What do you do for work?
I'm an accountant. I work in the suburbs of Sydney. It can be a busy job, but I really enjoy it.
Oh, interesting. So you work with numbers every day?
Yes, a lot of numbers. It can be stressful sometimes, but I like helping people manage their money. It feels useful. What about you? What do you do?
I'm an ecologist. I work for a not-for-profit organization. Do you know what an ecologist does?
I think so, but tell me more. I want to hear it from you.
I study nature. I look at plants, animals, and the environment. My organization tries to protect natural areas here in Australia. We work to make sure wildlife has safe places to live.
That sounds like really meaningful work.
I love it. It's not a very high-paying job, but it feels important, and I get to spend a lot of time outdoors, which I absolutely love.
That's wonderful. I think protecting nature is so important, especially these days.
Exactly. Thank you. So, Diana, do you enjoy food? What kind of food do you like?
Oh, I love eating out. I eat all kinds of things, but I especially love Asian food. Thai, Japanese, Vietnamese. I could eat it every single day.
Oh, same. I love Thai food. A good green curry is very hard to beat.
Yes, and fresh Vietnamese spring rolls. I could eat those forever.
Have you been to that Vietnamese place on King Street in Newtown? It's incredible.
Not yet. Is it really good?
It's amazing. We should go sometime.
I would really like that. So, Richard, where did you grow up?
I grew up in Newcastle. It's a city about 2 hours north of Sydney. It's right on the coast. Beautiful beaches. A very relaxed kind of place.
Oh, I've heard it's lovely. Do you miss it?
Sometimes, yes. I love Sydney, but Newcastle has a slower pace of life. People are very friendly there. It's a great place to grow up. What about you, Diana? Where are you from originally?
I'm from America. I grew up in a small town in the Midwest. It was very quiet, very different from Sydney.
Wow. What made you move all the way to Australia?
I came for work about 5 years ago. I got a job offer in Sydney, and I thought, why not? I had always wanted to travel, and I fell in love with this city straight away.
That's a big move. Do you miss America?
I miss my family a lot, and I miss some of the food from home. But Sydney feels like home to me now. I'm very happy here.
I'm glad you came. Sydney is lucky to have you. So, can I ask, why did you choose me on the app?
Well, I saw your photo, and I thought, he looks kind and interesting.
Kind. I'll take that. Your profile was really interesting too. You mentioned you love hiking.
I do. I try to go hiking at least once a month. There are so many great trails around Sydney.
Same. It's a great way to see nature. And to clear your head after a busy week.
Exactly. So, Richard, what do you think about dating apps? Do you like using them, or do you find it a little strange?
That's a good question. I think apps can be really useful. You can meet people you would never normally meet. Like you, I never would have met you without the app.
That's true. But do you think there are any downsides? Any bad things about dating apps?
Yeah, I think it can feel a little unnatural sometimes. Like you are shopping for a person. You are looking at profiles like you are looking at a menu.
Right, right. I know exactly what you mean. And sometimes people don't look like their photos.
Ha, that's very true. But I have to say, you look exactly like your photo. Actually, even better.
Oh, stop it. You're very sweet. I think meeting someone in real life, what we call organically, can be more romantic. Like you meet someone by accident, at a coffee shop or at a party.
There's something very special about that. When it just happens naturally. No planning, no profiles.
But it's hard to meet people that way these days, especially when you're busy with work.
That's true. Apps make it easier. Both people are looking to meet someone, so there is no guessing.
Exactly. So I think apps are a good tool, but the real magic happens when you actually meet in person. Like this.
Like right now.
Like right now. Richard, I have to say, this is one of the nicest first dates I've been on in a very long time.
That makes two of us. I was a little nervous before I came, actually.
Really? You seem so relaxed. I never would have guessed.
You make it easy. You're very easy to talk to, Diana.
That might be the nicest thing anyone has said to me today.
Just today?
Okay, maybe ever.
Good. I'm going for forever.
And scene. Okay, that was our mock first date roleplay. I hope you enjoyed listening to that.
We covered a lot of useful language in that conversation. Let's think about some of the things we practiced together.
We greeted each other warmly. We asked about each other's jobs. We talked about food we enjoy. And we asked where each other grew up.
We also talked about online dating. This is a very common topic in conversation today. People often discuss the good things and the bad things about dating apps.
And towards the end, things got a little flirty. Flirty means you are being a little playful and romantic. In English, flirting is usually gentle and kind. Simple compliments. A little bit of teasing.
It was fun, and I think Diana is a natural.
Oh, stop it. You're doing it again. Thank you so much for listening to today's episode of Slow Spoken English. We really hope it was useful and enjoyable for you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give us a like. It really helps other people find the show.
And don't forget to subscribe. That way, you will never miss a new episode. We have lots more great conversations coming for you very soon.
We will see you in the next episode. Take care of yourselves, everyone. Cheers.
Bye for now.